This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Chrome to run Python code. Install the latest stable Chrome and enable developer mode and extensions. Next, choose a browser Python runtime such as Pyodide or Brython, or pick a Chrome extension that runs Python. Once chosen, make sure you have an editor, either VS Code with a live preview or the browser's built-in editor. This combination gives you a fast loop, edit, save, and see results in Chrome immediately, so begin with those essentials now. Once done with setup, load the Python runtime into your page by adding the Pyodide or Brython script tags and initializing the environment. Wait for the runtime to finish loading, then import required packages. Use await for async initialization so Chrome doesn't hang. After that, write your Python functions and expose them to JavaScript or directly manipulate the DOM using the provided bridge. Make sure to test small functions first, because incremental testing reveals integration issues quickly. To finish, deploy your page or extension and test thoroughly in Chrome DevTools. Use the console, network, and performance tabs to spot issues. Make sure to optimize by lazy loading large packages and caching assets so memory stays low and responsiveness stays high. If something fails, clear the browser cache, enable verbose logging, and retry in an incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if imports fail, confirm the runtime version matches package expectations. Mismatches cause
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.